Hi friend, welcome to Pramesh channel. We'll be learning some things about the insert tab. The insert tab is a tab in which you can create pivot tables, put pie charts, line graphs, bar graphs, and many other things. But for now, we'll start with the easiest one. Let's start with the illustration group and then we will move on to the other groups, starting from the easiest and ending to the hardest. The illustration group has got pictures, online pictures, shapes, Smartart, and screenshot. If you click on pictures option in illustration group and if I select a random image like this, it will get inserted over here. I can resize the image with the help of the cursor by pointing it on the circle and then dragging it in the direction I want to. Now, moving on to the next part, that is the format part in insert image. If you want, then you can put a border in the image or select any other picture style over here. This is called a picture style. In picture body, you can select the color of the border. Now, you can even select the weight of the border this way. I'll change the color as of now. If I want, then I can do some corrections in the image this way. Like I can sharpen the image or soften the image from here. For example, I sharpen the image. What the image looks like now. Moving on to the color, you can go to the color option and recolor the image in the color you desire. For example, I select this. And now the color matches with the color of the background. If you want, then you can recolor it by making it normal this way by selecting no recolor. In artistic effects, you can put some effects if you want to this way. I'll undo it. And in picture layout, if there are more than one images which needs to be described, then you can select the picture layout from here. You can bring the picture forward or send it backward. You can rotate the image, like rotate left 90 degree, rotate right 90 degree, or flip the image horizontally or vertically. And in this way, you can crop the image or crop it to shape this way. You can adjust the height and width from these two boxes. All you have to do is type the numbers and it is done. Same you have to do with online pictures. All you have to do is click on online pictures. Click on the text box and type what you want to search. For example, I want to search nature and then I press enter. So I can see a lot of images here and you as well. I select this image and then I get it inserted over here. Now I can enlarge the image this way. Now next option, shapes. With the help of shapes, what you can do is you can insert a text box which is there over here, as well. You can put any text you desire. For example, I put my name is Pramit and then adjust the size of the text box, and then recolor the text after selecting it this way. Go to format, go to shape fill, select a fill, and then shape outline. What outline you want to give to the text box. And this way your text box is ready in the sheet. There are many shapes to select from. You can select any shape you desire and shape it in any way you desire. You can resize the shape as well. Smartart is used when you want to represent the data visually as such as list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, and more. For example, I want to select process. And then I double tick and put it here. For example, if I have to know Excel, then what am I supposed to do is first know it, then know its basics, and then know its advanced features, so as to do some good smart work on Excel. Now moving on to the last part, screenshot. Suppose if I want to put something which is there in the background, then what I have to do is click on screenshot this way and then click on screen clipping. Suppose I want the entire screenshot in the Excel sheet. Then I'll select the entire screen, and then the screenshot will come over here this way. I can resize it over here this way. If I change one number, then the another number will get changed in the particular ratio. And this is how the video for today ends. In the next video, we will be looking what is charts group, in which we will see how to put charts in the Excel sheet. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.